And I'll show you a great way to get effects using the sun and the moon. Here's a great way to create a really atmospheric picture. But first, you need a sun or a moon. Now, you can paint a fiery yellow sun setting against a red sky, or a silvery white moon against a dark night sky, or you could cut your sun or moon out of paper or card. Now, it's entirely up to you. Paint your sun or moon or cut it out of card, but either way, you need a nice bright circle that almost fills your paper. Now, a good way to get a big circle is to draw around a plate. You can then paint the sky around it, or you can cut it out and glue it to your sky. And there it is, an atmospheric sky, a lovely fiery sun against a moody red sky. Yeah, but it's not very clever, is it? Don't worry, we've only just started. The idea is to draw a silhouette of anything you like across the sky. So, OK, here goes. Now, I'm using black felt pen for my silhouette. You can paint it if you like, paint it black. And just send your silhouette out right the way across the sun or the moon. Out it goes, all the way across your picture. And then just fill it all in black. After all, it is a silhouette. Black everywhere. And look at the way the sun frames your silhouettes. And see if you can guess what this is. And a little one there. Now watch this. A nice long curly tail. Yeah, you got it. And a thinner pen for some wispy bits. Again, it's all silhouette. A bit there. A little bit more in there, I think. And there it is, a fantastic picture of a family of monkeys silhouetted against the setting sun. Good effect, isn't it? And you can try lots of different types of sun and moon silhouettes, like different coloured suns and skies. And you can even try a moonlight silhouette picture. You could draw your silhouette first onto black card and cut it out. Oh, I think that looks really romantic. Or even, how about just doing a painting using the sun and moon silhouette technique? I think a sun or moon really frame a silhouette brilliantly. Try it yourself, a sun or moon silhouette picture.